It's written in the golden sands of Dubai that this is the most beautiful city in the United Arab Emirates. If the city of Sheikhs tops your travel bucket list, you just got lucky because this time we are taking you right into the heart of Dubai. With its futuristic charm, Dubai is one of the most sought after tourist destinations in the world. And why wouldn't it be? Even before one lets the beauty of its skyscrapers sink in, the timeless grace of the Arabian desert just changes the whole trail of thought. It's like a little world painted right out of a Royal Arabian novel in which modernity flirts with the time long lost. If lazing in the lap of luxury is your cup of tea, Dubai is the city to be in. Its deluxe life, both on land and water, is a real slice of Emirati wave. Besides this, steering the wheel of limited edition car throughout the city is yet another experience for every luxury traveler. For adventurers of all sorts, Dubai is a gateway to real thrill. From desert safaris, dune bashing and deep sea fishing to skydiving, mountain biking, flyboarding and more, Dubai is the heaven to every adrenaline junkie. Indian tourists heading to Dubai can get two types of tourist visas. If you wish to explore Dubai for a short period of time, a 14-day tourist visa will suffice. And if you wish to stay a little longer, Dubai also offers 30-day tourist visa. This can be further extended by a maximum of 10 days depending on certain terms and conditions. The local currency in Dubai is the UAE dirham. You can either carry it from India or exchange currency at Dubai International Airport or DXB. You can also withdraw money from the ATMs in Dubai. While the banks here do not levy charges on withdrawals, there are charges by Indian banks. So keep the check on the exchange rate. Of course, the best way to reach Dubai is via air. Emirates, Fly Dubai, Air India, Indigo and Kuwait Airways are few of the international flights that you can take from metropolitan cities in India. So finding a suitable flight won't be a struggle. The best time to visit Dubai is between November and April. It's the time when the weather gets beautiful for outdoor activities and sightseeing. While dawn breaks with lot of sun, at dusk it gets relatively cooler. No trip to Dubai is complete without exploring the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. This needle-shaped gargantuan beauty houses 163 stories and shines high right in the heart of Dubai. For every die-hard shopaholic, Dubai Shopping Festival is no less than heaven. This month-long extravaganza is a real cocktail of fun activities and festivities. This year, it is kicking off on 26 December and is expected to go on till the 24th January 2020. Guess what? This is the time when your much-loved brands at high-end stores are made available at exceptional discounts. Yes, you heard us. If basking in the sun along the crystal blue beach is your definition of escape, then Jumeirah Beach comes as a real surprise. This perfect stretch of white sand is nestled on the shores of the Persian Gulf. The Atlantis Palm Hotel is everything that defines luxury. It's a dream that nurtures on a man-made palm island. Even if you are traveling for business purpose or just for leisure, this magnificent reality is meant for all. Be it the underwater aquarium, lush tropical landscape or heart-pumping water slides. Here, each nook and corner is extravagant. It's worth wondering what awaits on the Emirati platter once you are in Dubai. The city promises an exclusive twist of Iranian, Lebanese and Arabic flavors. If you're looking for strong flavors, Manouche, the local pizza, is definitely a must. Try not to skip the very local sweet dumplings known as lukaimat with a cup of traditional Arab coffee for late evening snack. The cuisines are countless and the flavors are as rich as it can get. Whether you are a luxury traveler or traveling on a shoestring budget, Dubai is for everyone. While on one hand the city accommodates plush hotels and resorts, a wide range of affordable homestays and Airbnb accommodations on the other hand are no less good. So you can plan your stay as per your own pocket and enjoy Emirati lifestyle with all its